thank you for tuning in to GoFresh.com. With us here today is Cooler Master's Quickfire Rapid-I keyboard. It's a small size keyboard using Cherry MX switch, and as you can see from the size, it's very small. It fits into a confined desktop area, which is very unlike the Mac, which you see it's a lot bigger, so you have the space constraint. This keyboard works fine for you. What I like to highlight now is how the keyboard is backlit. Okay, now I'm going to change mode to various modes. For example, see, now leaves a fading effect, or it has one that's with some keys highlighted. There's another. Alternatively, you could just have it, the whole keyboard, on backlit. Of course, you could also reduce intensity. I think the keyboard looks great, even though it's not part of the aluminum series. It actually works fine with a mouse like this Reaper. Okay, so there you have it. Cooler Master's Quickfire Rapid-I keyboard, which is under the CM Storm series, white LED, using Cherry MX switches, and it's great for small desktop areas. You know, spaces like this are desktop areas like this are space restricted. Alright, great stuff from Cooler Master. Thank you for watching.